Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. Today's recipe is gonna be something very quick and delicious. That is mango magic. Why did I name this mango magic? I know it sounds a bit funny, but then I didn't want to call this as something very boring like mango pudding, because all the puddings or the desserts usually needs the main ingredients like cream, gelatin, or condensed milk, but this recipe just needs 4 simple ingredients what's always available in your pantry. So do give a try on this lovely recipe, and for those who are new to my channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my upcoming videos. So let me show you the interesting and easy ingredients here. This is 2 cups of fresh milk and 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and this is 2 tablespoons of mango juice. You can even take mango puree, and 2 tablespoons of sugar, which can be added more or less according to your taste. Here in a wok, I have not turned on the flame yet until I mix all the ingredients. I've taken the milk, corn flour, the mango puree, sugar, all these 4 ingredients, and I whisk it well. I mix it well so that no lumps of corn flour is still there. Here I turn on the flame now on medium flame. I've kept this. Make sure you keep on stirring this till the end. Till I further tell you. See, here you can see now this was in 3 to 4 minutes. The milk started thickening, and because of the corn flour. Now you can see at the sides there are boils. Like when it starts to boil, just leave it. Reduce the flame to low, and then cook for 2 to 3 minutes more. Do not overcook this one. This hardly takes more than 5. This doesn't really take more than 5 to 6 minutes. Now this is done, and mix it well again. Now once that I got the perfect consistency, and then after boiling I just kept it for 2 minutes on the low flame, and that was done. I turned off the flame immediately. Pour it to the mold in whichever you're gonna serve it. Either the small dessert glasses, how I'm using, either very small bowls, or even you can pour it on the tray and cut into cubes. Here are the ingredients for the next layering. There's nothing but 1 cup of thick. I have made fresh mango juice at home. Sugar was optional. I just added 1 tablespoon. And here this is 1 tablespoon of corn flour. You can even use store-bought mango juice, but then really doesn't taste as much as the fresh does. Use the good quality sweet mangoes here. As you saw here, to the mango juice I've added the corn flour, mixed it well, and then turned on the flame. And as we did it in the first layering, it's the same. You have to wait till it starts to simmer at the sides, and then cook it on the low flame for 2 more minutes. And now you can see the consistency of the mango juice, how it is. Like, it doesn't fall from the whisk. It's not very thick, but then not pouring consistency too. Not very watery. You can see how I'm trying to show it in the video. And then here this was done. Now this was around 25 minutes after. When the first layer was back to room temperature, I just started pouring this mango, the layer. And do not refrigerate it until it comes to the room temperature, very important step. And then refrigerate it for this around 6 hours, minimum 3 to 4 hours also, but then better if it can sit in the refrigerator for long, even overnight if you have a planned party. And here I have also shown it in the small mini bowls. It looks good too here. The layers, always make sure 3/4 layer is of the white milk layer, and then 1/4 would be of the mango layer. And garnished it with some chopped mangoes, and topped it with the mini mint leaves. And here you can see the delicious dessert is ready, which I call mango magic. And then here you can see my small effort in making a small rose out of mango slices. I'm sure you all will love this easiest dessert and delicious one too, so do give a try. And coming to my extra points, you can also make this now, as this is mango season, so I have showed it with mango. You can also make this with oranges too, or other fruit. Just replace the mango juice with orange juice and some orange zest while milk boils. And do follow me on Instagram. Do share the pictures what you have tried from my channel. I would really love to share it on my feed. I hope you have subscribed to my channel till now. If not, please do. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.